Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you Dell laptop that is not booting up. It shows boot device not found. So let's turn the laptop on and you will show the message no boot device found. Strike F1 to retry, F2 for setup utility. So we are going to press F2 to go on to setup utility, and now go on to system information now. So boot sequence is selected EFI, so the most likely the laptop is installed with legacy boot mode. So we are going to select legacy and make sure to untick any unnecessary boot sequence, so we will boot from the hard drive straight away. So it's selected internal hard drive, and just make sure the time and date are accurate. And now we are going to apply these changes and click on exit. Wait a couple of minutes to restart. As you can see, computer is booting normally. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.